How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings. What you can see we have here is a brand new 2019 F-150 Sport package. It's got the painted bumpers and the Sport grille. And what we have here is a very simple, very standard package that we're offering for these F-150s. The different grills all fit the TIR3s. You can check the end of this video. We'll have some pictures of all the different grills that we've done this on, but these T3s fit almost all of the new body F-150s in the front. So whether you have a Lariat with the LED headlight package or a standard model like this, you'll still be able to use the TIR3 by Wicked Warnings, as you see in the video right here. And in the rear of the truck, on this model, we're using the LED HAW Duo, because it has the full-size reverse lens. On the Lariat models equipped with Bliss blind spot warning with the smaller LED reverse lights, we use the same Wicked Warnings TIR3 in the back under the lens. Be sure to check the description of the video for this package deal. And as you can see in the front, this is a TIR3. I'll show you the mounting a little closer. We mount right there on the grill. You can drill the wire straight through the back, come up behind the headlight, and enter the cabin through the firewall where the OEM wires go. I'll spin this around and show you the LED duos in the rear. Here out back, you can see our use of the LED HAW Duo. It fits quite nicely coming in from the side on these newer reverse lenses. Fills the lens with a bright amber light. This is the amber, and I use the HD version in these F-150 taillights. A simple 1-inch hole and a little RTV sealant is all that's required behind there. And if you'd like to purchase this simple 4-corner kit, we're going to be releasing it very soon with PDF instructions, all the wiring and switching that you need, basically a turnkey kit that will give you a 4-corner warning. We'll be releasing it in all amber and all white, but we can always do a combination. If you have something special, be sure to email us in and we'll be able to get you going. Once again, this is the 2019 F-150 basic 4-corner safety kit that we're going to be releasing in amber. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Make sure to touch up on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, as well as our website, wickedwarnings.com. Drop us an email at info@wickedwarnings.com and give us a call at 630-361-4390. And you can see right here, that's where the website and those numbers are. Thanks again for watching.